Today we are dancing on the second string, and we are going to dance on our A, our G, and our E. Purple, teal, and yellow. So let's go through, and as we play, let's say our colors. Teal, purple, teal, yellow, teal, purple, teal, yellow, teal, purple, teal, yellow, teal, purple, teal, yellow. Okay, let's do it again, and let's say our letter note names. Here we go. G, A, G, E, G, A, G, E, G, A, G, E, G, A, G, E. Very good. Now this time, let's just play it. Say the notes if you want to. How are you doing with this song? This is a great song. One more time through. Here we go. Okay, I hope you had fun with that, and I'll see you on the next lesson.